From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air in your home, waking up with a scratchy throat and dry skin? I know I was, until I discovered the YOKEKON Humidifier Large Room, a total game changer for my living space. This top-rated and best-selling humidifier has been a lifesaver, and I'm excited to. With its large 5.8-gallon tank, I can go days without needing to refill it, and the sound it makes is so soothing, a gentle hum that's almost like white noise, helping me sleep better at night. The mist it produces is cool and refreshing, and I love the feeling of it on my skin. It's like a breath of fresh air. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's just that good. One of the things I love most about this humidifier is how it makes my room feel. The air is no longer dry and stale, but instead it's comfortable and cozy, like a warm hug. I've also noticed that my furniture and plants are thriving. The wood is no longer cracked and dry, and my plants are lush and green. I've tried other humidifiers in the past, but this one is by far the best. It's easy to use, clean, and maintain, and it's so much quieter than the others. If you're looking for a reliable and effective humidifier, I highly recommend giving the YOKEKON Humidifier Large Room a try. It's been a total game changer for me, and I'm sure it will be for you too. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.